Hello, people. This is Deepak Mahapatra, and a very good evening to all of you. So today I'm going to discuss about one of the best ever video I have ever seen. Okay, about leadership quality. Okay, so this is the video driven by Tom Blue. Okay, and the guest was Simon Sinek. Okay, so thing is, he said so many valuable things. If you have some time, then just go and watch that particular video. So there he just described about the leadership quality, like how should be a leader should how a leader should be. Okay, what are the qualities, what are the pros, what are the cons of, of a leader. Okay, so let's get started. So thing is, who whom we can call a leader. So, a leadership is not a rank. First thing, a leadership is not a rank. While there are people that have authority, that doesn't make them a leader. Like in our university, deans are there, professors are there, okay, vice chancellors, peoples are there, but still they can't be a leader because there are some people, unique people, who can work as a leader, but not everybody can be a leader. A leader is someone like who can treat you like a child, like his child. Like it's all about parenting. Okay, just we provide opportunity to our children, just like we provide, yes, the guidance to our children. It's all about a leadership. Okay, so the thing is to boost up self confidence. Okay, second thing, education. Okay, third thing, awareness and positiveness, which are necessary to grow in this current society, to build up your career. And the main thing is discipline. Okay, so a true leader can teach you those many things in a step by step manner, but he should have known the main key points about leadership, because leadership is not a game, and being a leader is not that easy, right? So you will ask one question: why we're calling them as leader? Because they choose to go first, they choose to take risk before anybody else. That's why we call them leader. Like, have you seen any what group of wolves? Group of wolves, whenever they are going for hunting for or for sheltering, okay, for searching for shelter, okay, they follow one wolf who is going in front of them, the first, and one leader, one and another wolf, okay, and one of the wolf behind, walk behind them. Do you know why? Because the first one should guide them properly. Like if anything is wrong on the road, and the backside will guide. Like if there is any leftover wolves are there, no, then they are going in this manner. These are the things which shows about the true leadership quality. The first one and the last one should be alert and should know like how to serve others. They don't treat themselves as a king or a queen. They can be anything. But the thing is, they serve to others and they work for others. And second thing, they choose to sacrifice so that their people may be safe and protected, and so that they may rise and again boost up their capability. So that's why we call them as our leader. Okay, so leader doesn't mean कि that person should have any kind of power. No, even though that person doesn't have any kind of power, he can become a leader, because leadership is all about your mentality, is all about your mindset, it's all about how you treat others, it's all about how you serve to others. This is all about a leadership quality. And do you know, when they do this kind of thing na, the response is incredible, and the response is so satisfying for them. Their people sacrificed for them, give them their blood and sweat just to protect you, just to give you more opportunity for your future, for your betterment. And do you know, when you ask about why are you doing like this, why are you treating your teammates like this, then the simple answer will be yes, they because they would have done for me, because they treat their teammates, they treat their people like their children. It's all about a parenting. So Simon Sinek give a beautiful message there through these words. These are not my words, these are his words. I'm just explaining through by adding some of my words. And he gave a beautifully, he portrayed himself very beautifully, like how a leader should be, and how their teammates trust the people, trust their leader. And do you know, in my real life, I have not experienced any kind of leader till now. But until I joined my life transformation group, so this is my personal experience actually. Okay, this is not any kind of sponsorship right now. Okay, so thing is, I met one of the greatest person in my life, Tawshib Sheikh. He is one of the person who works for his team. Do you know why he is inspired me? Because under his guidance 60 plus members are working, and he provides each and everything to them. He be like, yes, just do that particular thing, I will not say anything, but don't be like person like I can't do this thing, I can't do that thing, but still I want my salary. No, that's not possible. But if you're facing some problem, then I can take your problem and solve it too. But for that, you have to give a single try. Okay? And when I joined LT Group, at that time, my mentality was totally different. And now it's totally different also. Do you know why? Because he know how to guide people. He know some problems are there. That doesn't mean that particular person does not know how to act, because you know, Simon Sinek actually gave a beautiful message there, example there, sorry. Like, if a good person is there na, and if we put that particular good person in a bad company, then that particular good person will resemble those bad company behavior to this world. And if we take a bad people, not you, do you know what people? There is no bad or good people. Everyone is equal. It's all about the circumstances, the environment, the team which you are working right now, the leader whom you are following right now. So there is no such words like bad or good people. Everybody is good. Okay? It's all about your mindset. So if we take one bad people and put him into a good company, he will explore like anything, and he transform his life and his team's life. Totally means total different actually, right? If like the thing is the there is a chance, okay, that a good people can also become a bad, and a bad people can also become a good people. Then just don't judge a person by just seeing his behavior. You don't know his circumstances, his situations, right now. So what I'm saying now, if you are seeing a leader, so the leader should be a quality, like, yes, I am treating my teammates like my child. I will take their problem and solve them as like mine. That should a true leader power be like, and their actions speaks louder than anything, right? Do you know what, people? Being a leader also requires to having people that follows them. Do you know why? Because when I'm trying to do something now, right now, I'm just talking about you. I'm just talking about the thing which I've learned from Simon Sinek. The thing is, I am just maintaining one communication. I can't see you right now, but still, whenever you are watching now, I am connecting with you because I maintained a communication. I maintained a channel through which I can say my words properly, like, yes, that person is watching me and I am talking to that person. Okay, so you have to establish a connection before doing something. If you can't maintain a connection na, then you can't do anything, because if there is no channel, if there is no road, if there is no way, then how will you do your communication there? How will you do your work if there is no road? And if there is no road, you have to create one na? You can't just walk if there is no road. It's a road and you just walk away, and if there is no road, how will you walk? This is not possible, right? So before going to do something now, you have to create one channel. You have to establish a connection, communication between your teammates, between your parents, between whatever. Leadership is not about it should have to maintain between a team and his leader. No, it can also maintain through a family, to a family, with a family, or to a society also. It's not about an organization work. It's all about how you are treating yourself and how you are treating to others. This is all about leadership is. So and the thing is, you have to maintain a trust, and trust will not that easily. You also know na, because whenever you purchase something from a consumer, from a company actually, okay, how do you believe, like, yes, this product will be go throughout my life, through some year? The means, how will you believe that yes, this is the product which I should have to believe and I should have to purchase? Because you are paying money right now. You just at that moment now, you just see the brand, the trust of that particular brand. Like right now, I'm using this particular Bluetooth headset. This is from Wingslide. I just trust this brand before purchasing this particular Bluetooth headset. That's why I purchased this product, because I know that this product will not cheat me in my future. Okay? That is why you have to maintain and you have to build a trust between you and your teammates or with your people. Okay, and the second thing is, fulfilling your responsibility does not create the trust. For that, you have to maintain a relationship with them too. Means how you are doing, what are you doing, why you are doing. When you know the root cause now, then it will be easy for you to solve that problem. And a true leader always search the root cause. He will not visualize the outer problem. He always believes to research and solve the root cause. Because when you solve the root cause now, then there is no chance to to emerge again emerge that particular problem. That second time that particular problem will not arise again. Okay. So thing is, the trust is a feeling that begins and to emerge when we have a sense that another person or organization is driven by the other than their own self gain. It's not about your self improvement, it's about your teamwork, it's all about your customer satisfaction, it's all about your trust which you have built with your customer. Okay, so you must earn trust by communicating and demonstrating that you share the valuable thing with them. Okay, and valuable products and valuable beliefs too. This is how a leadership will be maintained throughout your organization and with your people or customer. So there is a beautiful quote said by Simon Sinek. Okay, I just want to read that. The thing is, it's not just what or how you do things that matters. What matters is that what and how you do things is consistent with your why. This is why your mentality should be. Okay, means the code, what the code is trying to say is, it's not just what or how you do things that matters. It's not, people will not see like what or how you are doing that particular thing. What matters more is that what and how you do things is consistent with why. Because if I'm trying to get a six-pack body, it will not work by doing exercise in a single day. Like I am doing 1 hour exercise in one day and I'm expecting six-pack. Like guys, is it really possible? No, it is not possible. For that you have to do regular exercise, be it 10 minutes, be it 20 minutes, but regularly and consistently. Then after 1 month or 2 months, you will see your six-pack abs. And you know what guys, we human beings, whenever we are getting disappointments, failures and rejection, we just simply say, no, these things are not cup of my tea. Why? Why did you try this thing? If you know that in future you will get rejection, then why did you try these things? Are you really think these are the joke is going on? Something joke is going on? No. These are the life things, life stuffs. Then how can you take those things so grantedly? Don't take it those things. Don't take those things grantedly, because you don't know. Because if you quit right now, you may not get the fruit of success in future. This is what I want to say about the leadership quality, and I hope I shared some valuable points today. Okay, and if you have some time, just go and watch that video. Okay, and so I just want to thanks Toship Bhai here, Toship Sheikh, okay, for emerging my life like I've never seen a life I have never imagined in my life, actually in my dream too. Okay, so thank you so much, and thank you so much people for always supporting me. Okay, and I hope you all like this video. Okay, so have a good day.